No kid should have to worry about where their next meal is coming from, so it's so amazing to see HelloFresh and No Kid Hungry kind of take action towards that.
With our platform, we have so much opportunity to do something with organizations like St. Mary's Food Bank. You just see it firsthand the amount of demand that there is within the community. There's a constant stream of cars just flowing through. Thousands of people come through St. Mary's, as well as how they partner with companies like HelloFresh to offer healthy packaged meals for the community.
My mom has worked in elementary education for 20 years. I've seen her worry about her students in the summer, especially when they don't have those school provided meals to lean on. It's so amazing to see HelloFresh provide meal kits that have such easy meals and to try to reduce that stress on families and children in the summer months when they don't have those meals to lean on at school. Anyone can be a hunger hero. You can donate, you can volunteer, and you can spread the word. So for us to use our platform to show people how amazing it is to volunteer at St. Mary's, how easy it is. It's so important to talk with friends and family and just kind of initiate a spark in their mind to come out, volunteer, donate, and just spreading the word is such an easy way to be a hunger hero and to help and support those in need.